Welcome back everyone to another technical analysis, and today we're taking a look at the Cardano coin. An interesting thing that we are seeing on the weekly time frame is that there is a pretty decent chance that we might see yet another upside momentum, but there is still a slight confirmation that we need, which means we need two candles at least to be the weekly ones, or a stronger breakout market structure break similar to this one. Now, the current price that we are staying here is similar basically to this area and this area as well, where we see that although let's compare it actually to this one here. So we are seeing a smaller push here right now. If this weekly candle won't result in a stronger push similar to this one or even this one, then we are not going to see any kind of upside momentum. Now, most probably we are going to stop with the ADA Cardano coin here, and then the next weekly candle will be the decisive one. Now, we either see a continuation, a proper breakout, or an reversal and the market structure break from this zone. So on the weekly time frame, there is a huge chance, because we are sitting right at this major support area. But again, with the cycles in the crypto, there is not much of a great chance that we might see this coming. But if we see, then this would be an ideal entry for the long position. Now, going to the 4-hour time frame, or even let's say stick with the 4-hour time frame, what we are going to look for as of now. So this area hole here, if we see the price to break out from this area and secure actually this zone here, then there is a chance that we might see a continuation, and then some kind of long position can be taken, with the risk reward ratio being, let's say, the first target would be this, which is 4%. Stop loss should be somewhere here, so 1-on-1 risk reward ratio, but that's not the main target. The main target would be approximately 29.1 cents. So risk reward ratio is 1 to 2.5. This is only an option if we see the price to break out from this zone. If we don't, then this will be deleted, and we are going to actually aim for some kind of reversal, which we as of now are seeing, and then a shortened position can be taken with the risk reward ratio being 1 to 4 basically. Now 1 to 4 is a wild guess, because as of now we had, okay, that's pretty clean market structure break that we have right now. So would go from here, stop loss somewhere here, or even tighter, closer here. Then target is going to be narrowed down slightly. Where is it? Okay, it's too large. Let's make a new one so it doesn't look that messy. So stop loss somewhere here. The first target would be approximately in this region, so this whole region. Risk reward ratio is 1 to 2.15. But again, there is going to be another retest probably to this zone, so we are going to see some kind of retest, and then from this retest we need to see a rejection, a successful retest it means, and then we can take a short position once we form another break or structure near this zone. Or if we just continue falling, then this would be also a decent spot for an entry. So all it leads us to is just to wait to see a further market structure development near this region. But basically multiple setups that can be taken. There is an interesting setup forming here. We had once again a stronger market structure break here. Well, that's a nasty line. So market structure break here. Price had a nice decline, and now two zones we're going to keep an eye on. One is this one. If we see a breakdown, then a short position can be taken. But if we see a retest to this zone here, then this would be the next point we will be looking for, some kind of rejection and a movement to lower zones. So that's it for the Cardano coin. As always, if you like this video, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll catch you in the next video.